Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about properties of set symmetric difference. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed some of the properties and we discussed what symmetric difference means. Please watch that class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, let's try to understand what is symmetric difference for a second. Then we go with the properties. A plus B, this plus symbol is used for symmetric difference. A plus B is given as A minus B union B minus A. So A minus B means, so consider this as A and this as B. A minus B means remove common elements from A. This is A, remove common elements. So this green line area we call it as A minus B. Similarly, B minus A means remove common elements from B. If you remove the common elements from B, this blue line area we call it as B minus A. Union of these two means this area and this area. Whatever the elements that belongs here and here, we call it as a set symmetric difference A plus B. Now coming to the properties, A symmetric difference A is equal to phi. Why it is phi? A minus A union A minus A. What is A minus A? Phi. A minus A, phi. Union of phi union phi. Phi. So that's why A symmetric difference A is equal to phi. A symmetric difference phi equal to A. So let's do the same thing. A minus phi union phi minus A. A minus phi means A union phi minus A means phi. A union phi means A. Now coming to the third property, A symmetric difference B is equal to B symmetric difference A. Both are same. Why? Because A symmetric difference B means A minus B union B minus A. B symmetric difference A means B minus A union A minus B. Both are same. This and this are both same. Now coming to the last property, A symmetric difference B equal to, this can be written as A union B minus A intersection B. So we'll show that why this is equal to A symmetric difference B means, what is symmetric difference? What's the area that belongs to symmetric difference? A, this, remove the common elements from A. So this blue line area, and remove the common elements from B. So this blue line area. This is what we call it as symmetric difference area. Symmetric difference is equal to, what is A union B? This entire area, elements, all the elements that present here, we call it as A union B. Minus, from that you have to subtract A intersection B. What is common elements? What's the remaining area? This and this. Both are same. So these are the properties you have to know about symmetric difference. Hope you understand these properties. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.